Good day, ma'am. So today, I'm gonna report my assigned topic, which is compound interest. Compound interest is the procedure in which interest is periodically calculated and added to the principal. The time interval between succeeding interest and calculation is called the conversion period, or compounding period or interval period. The interest earned during a period is converted to principal at the end of the period because the principal and the interest are combined and treated as the new principal for the succeeding period. The following variables will be in our mathematical treatment of compound interest. P as principal amount of the loan or investment. I amount of interest paid or received. F maturity value of the loan or investment. G nominal interest rate. M number of conversion per year. And T is time period, term of the loan or investment. I period interest rate and N number of conversion of the loan. And with the use of mathematical manipulation of the formula will be arrived at the other compound interest formula. So F is future value, P is principal, I is interest rate per period, and N numbers of period. For example 1, we are asked to find the maturity value of 12,000 invested for 4 years at 15% interest, compounded quarterly. First, let's identify the given. The principal is 12,000 and the time is 4 years. Since it is compounded quarterly, that means 4 times per year, so the total number of period is 4 times 4, which is 16. Next, we get the interest per period by dividing 15% by 4, which gives 0.375. Now, we use the formula F equals P times open parenthesis 1 plus 1 I close parenthesis raised to N. Substituting the values, we get F equals 12,000 times 1.0375 raised to 16. After solving, the final answer is 21,626.73. So the investment growth is 21,626.73 after 4 years. Example 2. Esther deposited 25,000 in the bank. The interest is 4% compounded quarterly for 1.5 years. First, the principal is 25,000. The time is 1.5 years. And since it is compounded quarterly, we multiply 1.5 by 4, giving us 6 period. Next, we compute the interest per period. We divided 4% by 4, which gives 0.01. Using the same formula, F equals P times 1 plus I raised to N. We substitute the values. F equals 25,000 times 1.01 raised to 6. After solving, we get 26,538. So Esther's money becomes 26,538 after 1.5 years. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.